does not only depend on proficiency, but also computer science students who actually work and design a website. Jerome is actually having the knowledge of designing a website when he was in College of Health Technology studying computer science as MD. Also moved ahead to Harvard University in America to study CS50 web programming with Java and Python. At the current point, he is actually working on a project called Project Zero, which is actually working with designing a competent website, which a user can view 4 different pages. In this episode that you are watching, you will actually meet a particular website based on the specification of the school, which actually asks Jerome to design a project for Project Zero, which will actually open a page of a website. In that website, we have 4 different pages, which you will lovely see. At this point in time, I would like you to view the program by yourself and at the same time confirm whatever. Can you view the screen?
Yes.
The screen well located. Okay, at the same time, here is what you find in this particular website that you see. Look at the screen very well. When you look at the screen, you see its content. Here in the content of the website, here is what we find here. We discover here that the web page actually have a picture. It also has numerous links in the web page. Here you will see green line which contains of number, and here you have a footer which has to do with the website of its own. You see the footer. In the footer we have the website. You have a content in a text form where you will see this website built for the purpose of Project Zero assignment standard, not for sale or any unauthorized use of any code or image from this site. All you see here are step-by-step guides as regarded to the demand of the lecturer. All requirements for Project Zero has carried out. The site is named after Jerome. If you click this link, there's a link here. Once you click the link here, the link is actually talking about Jerome Odor here. It's named after Jerome Odor. So when you just click the link, it will actually take you to a page. Oh, sorry, there's network error here. Now, let me directly link you to what you actually want to have in this page. In this page, we have a home page. Here in the home page, you see here, Hello World. While having Hello World here, if you want to check the source code of this particular web page, here comes the source code of the web page. Now here in home, that is index.html, we have home. A welcome or Hello World. Now here in Hello World, we have a doc type .html, which has to do with the type of HTML that is version 4 or even 5, HTML5. This is what we have here. Then we have HTML documents here. We also have a head tag. We have a title tag, which has to do with my web page. We also have a head being closed. We have here in the body of the web page, we have Hello World. That is why you see what you see in the page. Now let's go back to the page. Now inside the page, we also have another page called Flexbox. Here in Flexbox, we have a series of words in a particular format. In this format, it is assumed that what you have here is much in number from alphabet A. Let me show you. From alphabet A to alphabet Z. To alphabet Z. Now, the reason why this comes is actually to see or test whether my page is actually responsive. Now, for me to know whether my page is actually responsive, let me minimize. Okay, while I minimize, let's go up. Let me shrink the page and see. Can you now see? The page initially was in 4 lines. But when you shrink to see if the page is actually responsive, you now see it's now actually in 2 lines. That simply means that the page is responsive. Okay. Which source could actually work this page? Okay. For the source code that actually work this page, you can now see. Take a look. This is what we have. Here is the HTML document head. We have my web page. This line alone, line 5 here, meta name, few points, content is equal to width, which actually tell you that here the meta name few point is actually telling you the few point of this particular website and its content, the width of the device and the initial scale of the device must be 1.0, so that any device that you are using to view this particular page can actually capture every content of this web page. Now we have here a container which actually have to do and display a flex box, and the flex box is actually wrapped. That is why you see here it's actually wrapped inside a particular triangle which was measured in dimension. Now, looking at the word, this actually falls in the body of the web page. Here we have our style being content display and whatever that will contain how you want the page to display. Here we have the background color to be spring green. That was the background color. Let me show you now in the page. Look at it here. Now, another thing here, we also have the font size to be 20px. Here, we also have the margin to be 20px. Here, you may be wondering why margin is 20px. You see, the margin from here to here is 20px. The padding is what we have. Here we also have padding to be 20px, so that I should keep space to each of the words. Now we also have the width. This width here is talking about the length in which this can extend to. That is what we have here. Okay. Have you gotten that? Haven't gotten to that point? We now go back to the web page. Now, in the web page, we also have another one. Here is new. New. The particular page that we have just opened now has taken you to a very brand new web page entirely. Here in the web page, we have so many things contained in this web page. The web page here was linked. Actually, the particular content, most of the content, just like video, which you would have watched here now, is not moved from the particular folder. That is why you could not see it here. But already you can see this picture that the image here that you see found in the body was actually contain a movie, a video coverage that you can use or watch. Then the web page actually contain a home page, which is not actually linked. It also actually contain about photo gallery, videos, project topic, affiliates, contact us, ebook, and news. At the same time, the web page is also having what we call sidebar. In the sidebar, we have info key here, which actually talking about project proposal, importation business, advertisement, about the TV program, the web development training. And actually, the web page, it was actually linked to a particular page where when you click here, you can actually get all what you're supposed to know about freedom order. Here we also have a coalition partner where we are working together hand in hand, such as Jumia, Alibaba. We also have freelancer. We also have mission training institute. We also having blogging for cash. Okay, these are all what we have in the page. Here was the image that was working in this particular page. Very soon you will click it. Now let me show you another example of what we have in this page. In this particular page, we also have list item. In list item, when you get to this point, you also have a particular word that was listed. When you fill the source code of this, you now see that it was a HTML5 document, and we have here HTML language and US ahead. We have meta charted, which has to do with UTF iPhone 8. Now we have also link ref. Here in link ref, it's actually telling you that we will have a link that all this list will have to link with. Now here we have on list items, on other list items, we also have here list other list item. On other list item has to do with numbers, while this other one has to do with a dot type. Now here is how the page actually look like. Now in the first one we have here a dot type, while the second one we have here the numbers. Okay, let's go to the main page again, and here we have contact us. Here in contact us we have a brand new link already. At the same time, it's opening a new page, Jubass.com. In Jubass.com, we have in the body, we have my aim. I already have studying web development. Here at the aim is want to be a professional in my area of discipline to make good cash from it on daily basis business. This is exactly what you have, those words that you have in the page, and here in the footer we have Jubass.com privacy 2019. You can as well view the page and see how the coding was actually done. Actually, this coding was actually using Notepad to run. It was not in any other editor. That is why you don't see indentation for the website to be nice or the code to be arranged neat. So it was actually using Notepad before I now had the new versions of code editor. Okay. Here we have another web page for news. Here in the news web page, we have president. This actually represent the president that represent our country, Nigeria. Before now, we had President Obasanjo, we have President Musa Yar'Adua, we have President Goodluck Jonathan, and their years in office is actually captured. If you see here, this is a tabular form. You have here first name, you have your last name, And we have here years in office. That is why you see Obasanjo is leading from 1997 to 2013, 2003. And we also have Musa Jalal here leading from 2003 to 2017. We also have Goodluck Jonathan leading from 2007 to 2015. Okay, now looking at the body of the web page, we also have here in this line called mass Q. Take a look. Let me show you. What actually got that line to move as such is what you will have here. Calling mass Q behavior. H1 you have here mass Q behavior. Alternative style is what the background and a color maroon. Welcome to my wall of the volume. We also have that. Now here we also have here trending laptop for sale, original phone. This particular line is what is actually working that page to be what you see. Let me show you what I actually mean. Take a look. You see this one moving to this point and will also bounce back and move. Now here also we'll discover the same thing. This is what we call mass Q behavior. Now we also have some links here which actually link to Flexbox. Once you click here, let me show you something that happened here. Take a look at it very well. You discover that the background color here is actually maroon color. But once you take this cursor you see here to the particular to point at this particular link, it will change color to green. Let's take a look. Can you see that? Now when you see this, what actually made this thing to work like this? What actually work here is what we call Hover Me. Hover Me actually work on changing the color of the background of a particular thing that you actually set. Then once you draw the cursor to that point, it will now change the color. Now look at it. Take a look. Look at it. Take a look. The same thing is applicable to each and every one of them. Now here, when you click here to open a Flexbox, when you click here to open to the new page, now when you click here to open to list page, at the same time, once you click here, you go to the next page. Here we also work with, when you click here, you have table, which has to do with the president that led the country. Here in this page, we are having what we call here nested elements. What we have as nested elements is what we have here in the list. Okay. And what we also mean by, let me show you another thing, that if you look at this page that we have called nested element, we also have what we call border. Here is the border that the page actually contains. Here is a different background, and here is a border, and here is also cited and included in a border that actually make it be a nested element. Here we have a table, just as I said. Here we have CS. Sorry, that particular page was not properly linked. Here we also have limit to see media query. Well, it's not actually linked. Here is what we call bootstrap. Okay, when you click this place, you will have what we call bootstrap. Here, you will notice how this hello wall is well formed. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me show you the way the source. Link ref, starship, H ref is bootstrap. Here you will see that this is what actually make the word here, hello world, to be that bold in the center. Take a look, take a look. Take a look. So this is what actually make, because of the bootstrap command that is used, it actually make the to be that bold. Okay, let's get to the page once again. In the page here, you also have limit to see borders. Obvious, you don't have borders. In the page, you also have another bootstrap for now. Same under here, we have image display. That is the image of Jerome model. The image is actually moving. You can see once it got to this point, it will now go back, bounce back to this point, and now go back once again. Now, another thing I would love to show you is grid. Here is what we mean by grid. From here, we have grid line that is moving from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. If you open the page, you can also see what I mean here. Let me show you, take you to that point where you actually get what I mean. This is what I mean. You have your div class, grid, container. You have this class, grid item. So we have all these things here. This is what, when this one display, we now display from 1 to 10. Now, in that page we have here, the body of the website actually end here. While here we have here the footer, where you actually see the copyright 2019 by Jerome.com. So with this, I think I've been able to inform you that my webpage, as regard to Project Zero, is well formed. Thank you for watching, having this experience for now, and at this point in time, I will draw the curtain to a conclusion. But for now, if you have any issues, if you have any problem concerning web design, web development, Jerome Woodrow can actually assist you. God bless you.